Here we are, we got a couple coats of white paint on there, skim layer of body filler. See, we got our holes cut in there that we had our line trace for from before. And you can see we got all our cuts made and folded over and welded. And none of that has to be perfect underneath here or there because you have body filler, I'm sorry, not body filler, you know, plastic panels that'll come down here and cover all that up, so you don't need to get too picky with that. But you know, you can see where the welds were and stuff if you're really looking, but we weren't looking for perfection by any means, but anything was better than a rusty hole.